Hello children, so welcome to AIMS India's online classes. Today, from mathematics subject, sets topic we are going to learn. So let's revise the concepts once. In our last 5 videos, we have discussed about different concepts. Let's revise them once and let's discuss about the practice sheet. So here, set means a well-defined collection of objects is called a set. A well-defined collection of objects is called a set. The objects in a set are called its members or elements. They are called its members or elements. So the number of subsets of a set A is 2 power n of A. 2 power n of A. Suppose we have set A. We have set A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Then number of subsets of A. Then number of subsets of A of set A can be written as 2 to the power of n of A. So here n of A means number of elements in A. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of elements in A are 4. So number of subsets of A equal to 2 power n of A means 2 power 4, which is equal to 16. Like that we can find number of subsets. The number of proper subsets. The number of proper subsets of A is. So this proper subset concept will come when A is not equal to B. When A is not equal to B. Means in A, suppose we have 1, 3, 5. In B, we have 1, 3. So then B is called as a proper subset of A. B is called as a proper subset of A. Means, why means all the elements of B are present in A, and in A, at least one element is extra. At least one element is extra. So then we can call it as a proper subset. So number of proper subsets will be, so 2 power n of A minus 1. 2 power n of A minus 1. 2 power n of A minus 1 or 16. In this case, it is 16 minus 1, that equal to 15. That equal to 15. Why means, in that case, we won't consider all the elements as a subset. We won't consider all the elements as a subset. Means, while counting the subsets of A, if A is not included, while counting the subsets of A, we are including pi, we are including A, we are including all. But proper subset means the main set should contain at least one element extra. So that's why while counting proper subsets, we won't consider the set itself. So one from the number of subsets, if we minus 1, then it will become number of proper subsets. Number of proper subsets. Next. If A and B are two sets, A and B are two sets, then we have a formula for A delta B. So then we have a formula for, so A delta B. We have a formula for A delta B. What it will tell? A minus B union B minus A. A delta B equals to A union B minus A intersection B. Like that we can write. This is the formula for A delta B. Means the difference of union and intersection will be considered as A delta B. Or it is also considered as, it is also considered as A minus B union B minus K. It is also considered as A minus B union B minus A. Means only A, only B. Only A, only B. Means if you have A set here, if you have B set here, if you have A set, B set, say A union B means complete set. This middle part will belong to A intersection B. So what they are telling, A delta B means from A union B, A intersection B we have to minus. Means only A union B. Only A union B. This part we have to minus. So this shaded part. This is considered as only A minus B. This is considered as only B minus A. The union of both this means this shaded portion, left side shaded portion, right side shaded portion, excluding this middle part, will belongs to A delta B. Belongs to A delta B. Next, complement. We have another set called complement. So we have here another set called complement. So complement. So complement is denoted by AC. AC. It is denoted as, it is read as A complement. Means in A complement, X such that X belongs to mu, universal set, and X does not belongs to A. X does not belongs to A. Suppose if we have in the universal set, we have set A, which consists of elements 1, 2, 3, and outside the set we have elements 4, 5, 6, 7 outside A, but inside universal set. So then A complement means which are in mu but not in A. Which are in mu but not in A. Means outside elements, suppose 8, 9, 10, if they are outside the universal set, we should not consider. They should be inside the universal set and they should not belong to A. Means A complement equals to 4, 5, 6, 7. Because 1, 2, 3 belongs to A, we won't consider them. A complement means which are not in A. The elements which are not in A. The elements which are not in A. So 4, 5, 6, 7 we will take. Okay. So here, algebra of complement. Regarding this complement, we have some algebraic operations. Let's see. First, A intersection A dash, or A complement term, sometimes it is denoted as A dash. A intersection A dash. A is different, A dash is different. Which are two are entirely different. The elements in A dash means the elements which are not in A. So intersection means common elements. There will be no common element between them. So answer is 5. Next, A union A dash means elements in A, elements not in A. Union, their combination means total elements. All elements will come. Mu. Next, mu dash. Mu dash means all elements. Sorry, mu means all elements. Mu dash means opposite, no elements. 5. Mu means all elements. Mu dash means opposite to that, no element. 5. So 5 dash. 5 dash means, actually 5 means no element. 5 dash means opposite, all elements. Mu will come. Okay. Next, A means the elements in A. A dash means the elements not in A. Whole dash means the elements in A again. So here A means the elements in A. A dash means to its reverse. A dash whole dash means to its reverse. Again A will come. So if we do 2 times complement of a single set of same set, then same set will come. A dash whole dash equal to A. A dash whole dash equal to A. Next, A minus B means only A. Only A. Only A means A intersection B dash. Means the elements which are not in B. The elements which are not in B. Suppose if we have 1 minute. So here what they are asking? They are asking A minus B. They are asking A minus B. Suppose we have 1, 2, 3 here. Here we have 4, 5. Here 6, 7 are there. So now what is the value of A minus B? A minus B means only A. Only A. 1, 2, 3. We can write. 1, 2, 3 we can write. So that is A. A minus B set. That is A minus B set. If we write the value of A intersection B dash, what is A here? 1, 2, 3. Intersection B dash. B dash means the elements which are not in B. The elements which are not in B. In B, what elements we have? We have 4, 5, 6, 7. Which are not in B means what will come? Again 1, 2, 3 will come. What are the common elements? 1, 2, 3. What are the common elements? 1, 2, 3. So that's why A minus B equals to A intersection B dash. Or reverse we can write. A minus B means B dash minus A dash. B dash minus A dash. Like that also we can write. To its reverse. We will exchange them and we will write their complements. Like this also we can write. So these are some algebras of complements laws. Next. Next, De Morgan's laws. De Morgan's laws. So first one, A union B whole dash equals to A dash intersection B dash. We can take some elements and we can prove this. We can take some elements and we can prove that. So just you have to remember the formulas. A union B whole dash equal to A dash intersection B dash. A intersection B whole dash equal to A dash union B dash. This will become opposite. Union will become intersection. Intersection will become union. Whole dash will become, whole complement will become individual complements. These are the two formulas. These are called De Morgan's laws. Next, A minus B union C equals to A. We are distributing this. A minus B. This union will change. Intersection A minus C. Or A minus B intersection C equals to A minus B. Intersection will change. Union A minus C. Like this, 4 De Morgan's laws we have. We can apply these laws while solving the problems. Okay, children. Now let's see the practice sheet. If a set contains n elements, then number of subsets. Number of subsets formula 2 into n of A. Number of elements in A. 2 into number of elements in the set, they have given n elements. So 2 power n. So D option. 2 power n is the correct answer. Next. If A equals to 1, 2, 3, number of proper subsets of that set is. Proper subset means already we have told. Proper subset means 2 power n of A minus 1. Why means? Proper subset means it will be possible B will be a proper subset of A if B is not equal to A. Means A should contain at least one extra element compared to B. Means in proper subset, the same element is not considered as a subset. Here n of A how much? 3. 2 power 3 minus 1. Here minus, we should not keep in the power, children. That is wrong. 2 power 3 is separate, minus 1 is separate. Minus 1 should to be downside here. Minus 1. 2 power 3 minus 1. 2 power 3 how much? 8 minus 1. That equal to 7. So A option. 7 is the right answer. 7 is the right answer. Next, if sets A 1357, B 1789, C 01237, then A intersection B union C. A intersection B union C they are asking. First let's do this B union C. A value 1357 intersection in big bracket, B value 1789 union C value 01237. So A, let's write like that only, 1357 intersection here into all elements we have, right? First 0 will come, 1 repeated twice, 1 only one time we will take, next 2 is there, next 3 is there, 7 repeated 2 times, 1 time we will take, next here 8 we have, next here 9 we have. Now intersection, common elements, we have 1 here on both sides, 3 we have 7. So 1 comma 3 comma 7 is the answer. 1 comma 3 comma 7. So third option 137 is the right answer. Next, A and B are any two sets, then A dash minus B dash, A dash minus B dash, A dash minus B dash. So what is the formula value for A dash minus B dash? So what we can write? So means there is X element such that it belongs to A dash minus B dash, A dash minus B dash. So which implies we can write it as X belongs to A dash and minus B dash means X not belongs to B dash. X belongs to A dash. Here minus means what does it mean? Only A dash, not B dash. So X belongs to only A dash but not belongs to B dash. Like this we can write. X belongs to A dash means X does not belongs to A, and X does not belongs to means X belongs to B, reverse. X belongs to B, reverse. Or we can write this first. X belongs to B and X does not belongs to A. Like this we can write. Or X belongs to B and X does not belongs to A dash. A means X belongs to A dash. X belongs to A dash. On my children. X belongs to B and X does not belongs to A dash. So what we can write like this? X belongs to B minus A because X belongs to only B, not A. So X belongs to B minus A. So A dash minus B dash equal to B minus A. So C option, B minus A is the correct answer. Next. Next, fifth one. A line. A line divides a plane into two half planes, H1 and H2. H1 and H2. H1 and H2. So then, so if this is a plane, this is the plane. So we have drawn a line here in the plane. This is H1, this is H2. So now which of the following option may be correct? So H1 union H2 equal to alpha. If this plane is alpha, H1 plus H2 union equal to alpha. Yes, true. H2 is subset of H1. Wrong, because both are different. H1 intersection H2 equal to 5. Wrong, because they have this common line in common. Because all the points on the line belongs to both H1 and H2. We cannot tell it is 5. Wrong. H1 union H2 equal to mu, we cannot tell because there may be some other space beyond mu. It may be not equal to mu. We cannot tell. Only first option is correct. Next, sixth question. So if A equal to x comma y such that x square plus y square equal to 25, B equal to x comma y such that x square plus 9y square equal to 144, then A intersection B contains what? So we have to solve these equations. X square plus y square equal to 25. So x square plus 9y square equal to 144. Let's divide this first equation with the 9. So 9x square plus 9y square equals to 9 into 5, 45. 9 2 times 18, 225. If you do subtraction, minus, 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 so this cancel. Minus 9x square plus x square minus 8x square equal to 5 minus 4, 1. 2 minus 4 we cannot. 12 minus 4, 8 means 81. Minus 8x square equal to minus 81. Minus 81. Or x square equal to minus 81 by minus 8. Minus minus cancel. Minus minus cancel. So here square we are having means we can write it as we will get here two values. We will get here two values because they are only asking points. How many points will be there? No need to calculate the answer. Just approximately we can tell. Approximately we can tell. Means 81 means we can write it as or x square means x square we are having this value. If approximately we will divide means or 81 means 9 square by root 8. 9 square. 9 square by root 8 whole square we can write. Or x equal to this 9 square means plus or minus 9 square plus or minus root 8 whole square we can write. Means plus 9 by root 8 whole square minus 9 by root 8 whole square. For x we can have two values. Plus 9 by root 8 whole square minus 9 by root 8 whole square. If we substitute x here, for y also we will be having two values. So common, because here also x comma y is there, here also x comma y is there. X comma y values will be common in both of them. X value is 2. If we substitute x values, y value is 2. So total we will be having 4 points. Total we will be having 4 points. Next, the shaded part of Venn diagram represents. The shaded part of Venn diagram represents. So this is only B. This shaded part belongs to only B because this part which is in A not considered. So only B. Only B means B minus A. B minus A. Next, set A has 3 elements. Set B has 6 elements. So then, set A has 3 elements, set B has 6 elements. Then, set B has 6 elements. Then, so then what is so then what is n of A union B? So here n of A union B 3 plus 6. Actually, they have not given a proper condition here. We cannot tell whether the n of B common elements are there or not. We cannot tell because they have not given any clue. All 3 elements may be common or 0 elements may be common. 2 cases are possible. If n of A union B equal to 3, means if 3 elements are common in both the sets, then n of A union B, sorry, A intersection B, 3 elements are common, then n of A union B equals to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B, means 3 plus 6 minus 3, which is equal to 6. Sorry, 9 minus 3, 6. If n of A intersection B is common, sorry, 0, if there is no common element, if it is 0, so then n of A and B equals to n of A 3, n of B 6, n of A intersection B 0, means 9. Means if n of A intersection B lies between 3 and 0, n of A and B lies between 6 and 9. Lies between 6 and 9. So it may be equal to 6 or it may be equal to 9, or if you take common element 1, common element 2, the middle values will come. The middle values will come. So what we can write means n of A and B value lies between 6 and 9, equal to 6 or equal to 9. So 3, n of A and B lies between 3 and 6, wrong. Lies between 3 and 9, wrong. Lies between 6 and 9, correct. Third option is the correct answer. Next, A equal to 578, B equal to 789. What is A delta B? So A delta B equals to A union B minus A intersection B. We have that formula. Or another formula, A minus B union B minus A. We have that formula also. So A minus B means only A. 7, 8 are present in B. We won't take them. Only A. We have 5 elements. Union B minus A. Only B. 7, 8 are present in A. We won't take them. So only 9. Only 9 we will take. This union means 5, 9. 5, 9. So first option, 5, 9 is the correct answer. Next, if mu equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, A equal to 1, 2, 3, B equal to 1, 3, 5, then A intersection B complement. Means A intersection B complement means which are not in A intersection B, but they are in universal set. 11th question, in universal set, mu, we have set A 1, 2, 3, but in universal set we have 1 to 6 elements. So this 4, 5, 6 elements are, sorry, we have another set also, 1, 3, 5. B 1, 3, 5. Sorry, let's take off this. We have mu A element, A set is there, B set is there, A set elements 1, 2, 3, but 1, 3 are common. 1, 3 are common. In A we have 2 only, in B we have only 5, but universal set we have 6 elements, means 4 and 6. 4 and 6 they are outside AB, but they are in mu. So here what is A intersection B? Here what is A intersection B? A intersection B means common elements 1, 3. A intersection B complement means here A intersection B means 1, 3 common elements. Means A intersection B complement means which are not common but in mu. Mu means they may be in A, they may be in B, but they should not be in common area. This is the common area. If we exclude this, what are remaining elements? 2, 5, 4, 6. Means 2 is present in mu, 5 is present in mu, 4, 6 also present in mu, but they are not in common area. So answer 2, 4, 5, 6. So 3 option. 2, 4, 5, 6 is the correct answer. Next, if mu equals to n, means if universal set equal to natural numbers and A equal to x such that x less than or equal to 4, x belongs to n, B equal to 2, 3, 6, 8, then A intersection B dash X less than or equal to 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4 we can take because equal to they have given and belonging to natural number. So A 1, 2, 3, 4 we can take. B 2, 3, 6, 8 we can take. 2, 3, 6, 8 we can take. We need A intersection B dash. We need A intersection B dash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 6, 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4. B set 2, 3, 6, 8. So mu set of natural numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on. We have to find the value of A intersection B dash. A intersection B dash. What is A 1, 2, 3, 4 intersection? What is B dash? B dash means not in B. Not in B. Not in B, but present in mu. Means we will take 1, 2, 3 we won't take. 4 will come, 5 will come, 6, 8 we won't take, 7, 8, 9, like that, all elements will come. Sorry. B set they have given. Yes, B dash means only. Same, correct only. Sorry, still correct only. Intersection. Sorry, A means 1, 2, 3, 4. Intersection B dash means not in B. So 1, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9 and so on will come. What is common? What are common elements? 1 is common, 4 is common. Only 1, 4 is common in this both. So 1, 4. C option 1, 4 is the correct answer. 1, 4 is the correct answer. So okay, children, that's all for today. Remaining questions we will discuss later. So thank you for watching our video, children. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates. Thank you. Have a good day.